Hi everyone, so this is week 5 video for Discrete Math. So we're continuing on with our first chapter on logic and proofs, and this week's section is 1.4 of our new textbook, which covers the predicates and quantifiers. So let's go over starting with the learning resources. I posted a few videos. At least I would like my students to watch the first 2 videos. And the next 2 videos are more of an additional resource. And likewise, this is the actual lecture notes that I use to teach. So you guys can take a look and just read through. I think these are pretty readable after you have read our textbook reading. And if you have any questions, then please do reach out. Okay, then let's go to this week's assignments. So for this week, I am interested in knowing how much time students have spent for last week's homework. And if you would like to share anything else about the course, then please feel free to do so. And our homework 5 is on this textbook. And the required reading is section 1.4. And we have a short optional reading. And here are the assigned problems for this week.